Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again with another review, and today I'm out for my very first flight with the brand new DJI Air 3 drone. Now I've got the drone over there on the mat and I fully charged the battery. I've got the latest version of the beta firmware uploaded on the drone, and I cannot wait to get this drone up in the sky because it seems like lately every time a new drone shows up, we get nothing but rain and lightning and thunder for 4 or 5 days, and there I am stuck in the house with fully charged batteries, just itching to get outside and fly that drone. Well, today is the first beautiful day we've had in Jersey, and this guy's gonna get a ton of airtime because I've got 3 fully charged batteries with me, and today's just gonna be a first flight video where I show you how the drone performs and give you some initial observations. But I'm gonna fly all over the beautiful state of New Jersey because we've got some beautiful shoreline, we've got forests and pine barrens and farms. There's a lot of wonderful places to put a drone up, and I'll fly at all those locations, and then I'll take those videos, put them together in a montage, and I'll post that on the channel in the next couple of days, and that way you can get a feel for exactly what the drone can do up in the air. But for today, it's just a first flight video. And this video is important because every drone you're gonna fly has got a different personality. So the Mini 3 Pro, the Mavic 3, the Air 3 are all gonna fly differently. And it's important you understand how that drone responds to your joystick commands, how fast it can move downfield, how fast it elevates and descends, and what kind of video footage it's got and what kind of features it provides. So for today, I just want to get a feel for how the Air 3 flies because I've flown a lot of different drones. I know it's similar to the Air 2S, but it's different. There have been changes made in the tuning and the flight, and a lot of things are different. So I want to understand that drone, get in sync with its personality, so when I fly it, I'm completely in command of that craft. So anyway, I'm rambling on here, but I want to get that drone up in the air. So we're all ready to go. I've got a nice clear sky. There's no airplanes in the area. I'm not in an FZ. I've done all my homework, and now we're ready to put the drone up. So let me just gather my thoughts because man, do I get excited when I get a chance to fly a new drone. All right, and away we go. All right, the props are spinning.
Takeoff.
Takeoff. All right, I'm going to lift it with the joystick. Now again, what I like to do is keep it up. Home point's been updated. I want to keep it at about 5 or 6 feet, and then I want to move it around a lot to feel exactly how it responds to the joystick. So, all right, there's right and left. Boy, is that quick. That is really, really responsive. I haven't done any tuning on this either. All right, let's try forward and back. Oh, it's quick. And how about up and down? Look how fast that ascends. The descent is a little slower. You know something? Let me get close to it because I'm betting. Now I know this is subjective, but that sounds a lot quieter than the Air 2S to me. So I think they've done a lot with the tuning, the ESCs, the propellers to make it even quieter. And I'm a big fan of quiet because I don't want people looking up at the drone yelling at me about a noisy drone. So I love the fact that it's a little bit quieter. All right, now let's take it downfield. Record a little bit of footage. Boy, this is the best thing ever. There we go. Let's get it up. Capture some footage down. There we go. Oh man, is that beautiful. Wow, the footage is incredible. All right, uh-oh, there's a lawnmower guy coming my way. I gotta be quiet here. Let's see. I'm coming back. Jeez, don't hit that pole. Watch the pole. That was so close. All right. Now, one thing I like to do with a new drone, this kind of gives me a feel for how good it is and how the controls respond, is I like to try and land it back on the mat. And I know a lot of people like to hand launch and hand catch, and that's great if you're brave and you don't mind losing a digit every now and then. But for me, one of the basic things a pilot needs to do is to learn how to take off safely and land safely. And even if you hand launch and hand catch, it's important to know how to land on a mat just in case things get crazy up there in the sky, because this drone can fly a long time and the wind can change. But anyway, enough about that. Let me land the drone. All right, so we're coming down. And again, the trick here is to put this thing on the mat. So I don't know if we're gonna do it, but we'll give it a shot. I'm pretty good at this. Brand new drone, first time through. No, there's another lawnmower guy. All right, I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna stand over here and bring it down. How's it looking? Oh, no, I don't think it's good. No, it's not happy. All right, that looks perfect to me, so let's see. Nope, didn't like it, didn't like it. Boy, is that amazing that it knows that it's not over the mat. Come on, it's gotta be close. There's a lot of debris. The grass is moving, so the drone is like, hey, Rick, what are you trying to do? You're landing me on grass. Don't do it, Rick. Don't do it.
Landing.
Boom, there we go. All right, that took a little finagling there at the end, but I think the sensors on the bottom, the VIO sensors, are looking down. They're seeing things moving around, and the drone is like, you know what? I'm not gonna land over there because there's a lot of grass and it's gonna cause issues. So anyway, there you go. Now, again, it's a first flight video. I have to say, the initial impressions for, what is it, 2 minutes of flying, is that it's quicker, it's quieter, and it seems more responsive than the Air 2S in the air. Now, I'm going to spend a lot more time playing with it. I've also got the brand new DJI RC2 right here with these antennas on the top, so I'll have to see how the signal loss works and how it responds when I get into a heavily wooded area, because that's your biggest enemy. A lot of people don't know that. They think buildings are a problem. It's actually trees that are going to cause you issues, because trees have a huge water content, and water blocks radio signals. So if you're flying in a forest, you're going to lose that signal pretty quickly. We'll see how these perform. Anyway, that's it for today. Again, I'm super excited to get this thing out and fly it all over New Jersey, and I hope you'll stay tuned. So thanks for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.